back to the channel. It's Ruth Nanda, aka Lo. What's good? What's poppin'? If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, sis. We like to save our coins over here and take care of everything on a budget. So if you're interested in stuff like that, make sure you subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload, and yeah, be part of Lo Gang, because sis, we like to save our money. It's a recession. Anyway, and if you're a returner, welcome back, sis. Thank you for stopping through. I appreciate you, Lo Gang, because y'all been there supporting me, and I really appreciate it. So let's get into this video. So as you guys can tell from the title, we are trying out some contacts, y'all. You know I've been back on my contact gang. You know I switch it out from time to time. Glasses, contacts, and today is giving contacts. So if you guys are interested to see what contacts I have, make sure you keep watching. So guys, we'll be talking about Multicolor Lab. They're a color creative integrated company. They committed to spreading rich, interesting colors on everything. They believe that passion, full, profound stories and naturally overflows from the eyes, and they sell high quality, safe, reliable products. Let's get into everything that's in the box. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. So they come with a nice, cute color pigment eyeshadow for your eyes. Definitely really cute. I like the packaging. Then they give you this nice, cute vintage contact case that comes with your contact case and some tools to help you take your contacts out. And then they give you some really dope stickers that really goes with the whole concept and aesthetic of their brand. I really like it. Then they give my 4 colors. It's already in here. The 4 colors that I do have are Profound Brown, Stunna NADINAE, and Wildcat Gray and Wildcat Green. So those are the 4 colors I will be displaying to you guys. Within the box, you do have the contact case and an individual contact box for each contact. So you have a contact case plus you have your contacts and your contact case within your box, as well as a cute vintage case. So yeah, let's get into these colors, you guys. All right, y'all, so let's get into the first color. I'm gonna just go through the colors and I'll come back and give you guys my review. So the first one is a Stunna Nadine. It is a nice, like, brownish, greenish tint. It's really pretty on my brown skin. I really like them. I really do. So let's get into the next color. Okay, guys, the next color I'm wearing is Wildcat Green. I freaking love these. Look at how they look on my eyes. Look how they look on my skin. They are giving. All right, guys, the next one I have on is Profound Brown. I look at these on my eyes. Baby, can you see the energy? Can you see my eyes? All right, guys, the last color is Wildcat Gray contacts. And I am loving it. Okay, guys, so now that you guys have seen the contacts, you know I like to finish up my videos with my favorite color. So guys, the Wildcat Gray is my favorite color so far. Like, not even my favorite color, all of them are my favorite color. Like, I'm gonna put it hands down, all of them my favorite color. Like, I love these contacts. I love the way they look on my brown melanin skin. I mean, like, I feel like I can't even feel these contacts in my eyes, first of all, okay? I feel like I cannot feel them. They're so soft. They're durable. They're everything. Like, girl. Okay, I see you, Multicolor Lab. These contacts is everything. I will definitely highly recommend you guys go out and get you some contacts. Everything will be in the description box. All the colors that I wore today in this video. And 20% off, because you know I got to give y'all a little discount, honey, because you know we like to save our coins, okay? Every penny count. Sis, is a recession. So definitely use my coupon code. I'll put it right here. And it will be in the description box with the link to everything. Make sure you get that 20% off because you're going to need it. You're going to need it because, honey, these contacts are everything. Like, they're giving the whole entire life. Like, you thought I was feeling you? No, baby, I'm feeling myself. Because these contacts got me feeling some type of way. And that's just a fact. Big facts. Big facts. So you guys, I hope you really do like this video and really do like all these contacts, and it was able to see how they look on the beautiful melanin skin that I have and my dark brown eyes, mainly my dark brown eyes. So if you do have eyes like me that's really dark and don't know if these colors will really show up, definitely check them out. Like, check out Multicolor. Like, they are giving the sisters the game. Like, they're giving the sis the run for their money. They give everybody run for their money for these contacts, honey. Because, honey, I don't know what to tell. I don't know. But I know one thing for sure and two things for certain is that I'm going to keep shopping. I'm going to go back and buy some more. Because I'm confident that these contacts are going to show up and show out every time I put them on. Period. So if you guys are interested in getting you some contacts and showing up and showing out and feeling yourself and not feeling them, definitely check the description down below. Definitely get your 20% off because you're going to want to, sis. The contacts are affordable, but the extra coin is even going to do it more justice. Okay? More justice. Definitely check them out. Like, hands down, round of applause. They did a great job with their contacts. It don't even feel like I'm wearing anything, and that is exactly what you want when you wear contacts. You don't want to feel like you're wearing anything. And just to note, my prescription is in these contacts as well, so that is even a plus. You can put your prescription in these contacts as well. So sis, get your prescription and then run over to Multicolor Lab and pick up your contacts and use my discount code because you're going to want to save your coin at Multicolor Lab. And that's just it. That's all. That's it. Period. So if you guys do enjoy this video, don't forget to thumbs up, hit your notification bell so you know every time I upload. And guys, until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.